Yo, it's Brenton with Spotless Kings, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. Today we're gonna be doing some pressure washing. We're not gonna be doing detailing today. I took the day off to do some pressure washing. My friend got a rig, and sometimes when he's not using the rig, he lets me get the rig to go do pressure washing jobs under my business, so I'm able to push the pressure washing side of my business too. Clients have a home that they want to pressure wash, and they call me and ask me if I could do it for them. So today we're gonna go ahead and pressure wash their home for them. Way to the job, and we just filled up with gas, and then somebody just realized that what did you realize when we stopped?
There's no tag on the trailer.
This man forgot the tag, and he took the tag off the trailer, and we've been driving with no tag on the trailer, so now we have to go back. Thank you, T-Money. Everybody say thank you, T-Money. Thank you, T-Money. In the cut.
Man, you know who it is. It's T-Money.
Okay, so we drove back about 10 minutes to put the tag on the trailer, and now we are headed to the client's house. My purpose of making this video was really to try to encourage other detailers to add pressure washing to their services. I say add this to your services because you already have the clients. A lot of your clients may need their homes pressure washed just like they get their cars detailed. And if you already have the clients, it'll already be a little easier to push your pressure washing side of the business. For instance, we're about to make over $600 actually here on this one job, just because I have a client that I do detailing for and they needed their home pressure washed. So that is a way you can upsell yourself and make more money while doing detailing. Today we're just gonna be doing the back patio. The whole lanai is gonna get pressure washed. We're gonna pressure wash the floors. We're gonna pressure wash the windows. It's right here, fam. Oh wow. Well, you're a smart guy. You are one smart guy. I give you that. Okay, so now it's time to set up for the job. We go ahead and add our water hose to the water tank so that way we can fill up the tank. I got the work boots that I'm finna put on, the water boots. We have our extenders that we're gonna use to reach the top of the lanai. We have our pressure washing gun that we're gonna use. What? You don't do the floor around it, you move it to do the floor. Cause when she moves it, she's gonna see stuff under it. It's a lot of stuff to do and you could just...
Oh, yeah, you're smart. Yeah, you're smart. I forgot.
1, 2, 3.
Get heavy as fuck.
Can this even fit straight?
Hold on. On the side.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bro, you listening and saying 1, 2, 3, but you're not even going on 3.
Shut up, bro. Yeah, so we just finished pressure washing the house, man. Look how dirty we are. Tyler, show them how dirty you are, bro.
I'm wet like water.
What the hell? That's it?
Yeah.
Make me swim, make me water.
Alright guys, so it's time to pack up everything and get on home. It was a good day, can't complain. Man, these shit so nasty. Damn, your feet long, boy. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video again, man. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to keep bringing out more content, and I'm going to try to give out some more free game.